Good day everyone and welcome to the Chrome Cruisers. Today we will be installing windshield wipers on this truck. For both wiper blades I will be using 18-inch metal wipers. So let's get to it. Alright, taking off the old wiper blade is real simple. For this truck we have a pin style standard wiper blade. What you're going to do is you take a flathead screwdriver and there's a little ridge underneath there. Basically take your screwdriver, slip it in there, pop that like that, and that pops right out. Then you can remove it off of the safety pin. Next, grab your new wiper blade. For me, I'm using Rain X 18-inch standard wiper blades. Here I'll show you the difference between the old and the new. The old one you can see here, it's kind of frayed, not really smooth, and it doesn't really clean the water off well. Here you can look at the new one, it's completely smooth, no cracks or anything. That is going to wipe the water right away. Installation is real simple. Make sure you get it through the correct hole. For me, I need to use a smaller one. Basically pop up this top. Come over here, pull up the wiper, slide that in, and then you want to snap this right on. And there we go. That's the first wiper blade installed. And do the same thing for the other side. Grab the screwdriver, slide it underneath the pin, pull it up, slide it until it pops out of place, slide that over, wiggle your way out of the pin, grab the new one, open up the pin, slide it in, and simply close up the pin. And look how well those windshield wipers glide right over the glass. I'm glad you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, bye.